So the first thing to do would be to apply a little bit of glue, PVA glue, into the joints all along the groove. First thing we want to do is make sure the groove is at the bottom. First one should line up perfectly, and then with a rubber mallet literally just knocking those in, and they fit lovely. Then the base slide into the pre-cut groove. The top just pop on. And then you will notice there are little pre-drilled marks here, and that's where these will clip to. These are the draw clips underneath. Final thing to do would just be to double check diagonally that you've got the same size both sides, and that will tell you that the draw book is actually square. If it isn't square, fitting it on the runners will always mean adjusting the front will always be difficult. So before the glue dries, make sure it's square. Otherwise, you have yourself a beautiful oak dovetail drawer box in probably 2 minutes. Wipe off any excess glue. And there we go.